I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Activating SIM card with 3UK is a straightforward process, and I am here to guide you through it step by step. Step 1. Insert the SIM card. Begin by inserting your new SIM card into your phone. Make sure your device is powered off before you do this to avoid any issues. Step 2. Power on your device. Turn your phone back on after inserting the SIM card. Wait for a few moments as your device recognizes the new SIM. Step 3. Connect to Wi-Fi. If your phone prompts you, connect to a Wi-Fi network. This step may be necessary for the activation process to complete smoothly. Step 4. Visit the activation page. Open a web browser and go to the 3UK activation page. You will need to enter your SIM card number and some personal details to proceed. Step 5. Follow on-screen instructions. Follow the prompts on the screen to complete the activation. You might receive a confirmation email once it is done. If you don't see any confirmation, check your spam folder. Remember, if you run into any issues, customer support is just a call away. Enjoy your new SIM and the connectivity it brings.